The moment you see it, you realize this isn't just another compact SUV. This is the 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ, a machine built with a purpose, carrying one of the most respected names in off-road history into a completely new era. It doesn't try to impress you with flashy gimmicks. Instead, it immediately gives off a sense of toughness, the kind of vehicle that feels ready for harsh terrain, unpredictable weather, and long journeys far away from civilization. In a market full of soft crossovers pretending to be rugged, this one feels real. From the very first angle, the design hits with pure nostalgia. The boxy shape is intentional, not outdated. It's a callback to classic off-roaders that prioritized function over form. The round LED headlights, bold Toyota lettering across the grille, and flat body panels all work together to create a design that feels timeless. It looks like something that could exist in any decade and still belong. As you move around the vehicle, the details start telling a deeper story. The wheel arches are wide and aggressive, built to handle serious suspension travel. The tires are thick, ready for dirt, sand, and rock. The short front and rear overhangs aren't just for looks, they're critical for climbing steep obstacles without scraping. And then there's the stance, upright, confident, and ready. It doesn't sit low like city SUVs. It stands tall, giving the driver a commanding view of the road or the trail ahead. At the rear, the design continues its functional approach. A tailgate-mounted spare tire instantly signals its off-road intent. The bumper is rugged, designed to take hits if needed. Even the taillights are simple and durable, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Step inside, and the philosophy remains the same: keep it simple, keep it strong, keep it useful. The cabin is designed around usability. Large physical controls make it easy to operate even with gloves on. The infotainment screen is modern, but not overwhelming. You get smartphone connectivity, navigation, and essential features without the distraction of excessive tech layers. The materials feel tough rather than luxurious. Hard-wearing plastics, reinforced panels, and surfaces that can handle dirt, dust, and water without worrying. This is an interior you won't be afraid to actually use. The seating position is high, giving you excellent visibility in all directions. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or crawling over rocks, you always feel in control. The seats themselves are supportive and built for long drives, not just short commutes. Now let's get into what really defines this vehicle: its capability. Under the hood, the Mini Land Cruiser FJ is expected to carry a reliable, naturally aspirated engine as something built for longevity rather than extreme performance. You're not getting supercar numbers here, and that's intentional. This engine is designed to work in remote areas, where reliability matters more than speed. The power delivery is smooth and predictable, which is exactly what you want when you're off-road. Sudden bursts of power can actually make things harder on rough terrain. Here, everything feels controlled and manageable. Paired with the solid transmission setup and a true four-wheel drive system, this vehicle is built to handle serious conditions. We're talking about proper low-range gearing, giving you the torque needed to climb, crawl, and conquer obstacles that would stop most SUVs instantly. And because it's built on a body-on-frame chassis, the strength is on another level. This is the same construction philosophy used in pickup trucks and hardcore off-roaders. It allows the vehicle to twist and flex over uneven terrain without compromising durability. The suspension system is tuned for off-road performance. It absorbs bumps, rocks, and dips with confidence. Instead of feeling fragile, the car feels planted and solid, even in rough conditions. But what makes this vehicle truly special is its size. Unlike full-size Land Cruisers, this Mini FJ is compact. That means it can go places bigger SUVs simply can't. Narrow trails, tight turns, dense forests, so this is where it shines. It gives you the freedom to explore without the limitations of a large vehicle. At the same time, it's practical enough for everyday use. Easy to park, easy to maneuver, and efficient enough to be used daily. It's not just a weekend adventure machine, it's something you can live with, and that balance is rare. Most vehicles are either too focused on comfort or too extreme for daily use. This one sits right in the middle, giving you the best of both worlds. Another important aspect is reliability. The Land Cruiser name has built its reputation over decades by surviving in some of the harshest environments on Earth, from deserts to mountains. From extreme heat to freezing cold, these vehicles are known to keep going when others fail. And the Mini Land Cruiser FJ is expected to carry that same DNA forward. This isn't just about specs or features. It's about trust, knowing that your vehicle won't let you down when you're miles away from help. Now from a market perspective, this vehicle is incredibly interesting. It opens the door for a new kind of buyer, someone who wants real off-road capability but doesn't want to spend luxury SUV money. It makes the Land Cruiser experience more accessible, without losing what makes it special. At the same time, it stands out in a market that's becoming increasingly electric and tech-focused, while others are moving towards screens and software. This vehicle focuses on mechanical strength and real-world performance, and that contrast is exactly why it's getting so much attention. Driving this vehicle isn't just about transportation, it's about connection. Connection to the road, to the terrain, and to the experience of driving itself. It reminds you why people fell in love with off-road vehicles in the first place: freedom, exploration, adventure. The 2026 Toyota Mini Land Cruiser FJ doesn't try to compete with luxury SUVs. It doesn't chase trends. It stays true to its roots, and in doing so, it offers something that's becoming increasingly rare: a vehicle with a clear identity, simple, tough, capable, and built to go anywhere.